Hey everyone, I am Haja, and in today's tutorial I want to prove to you that eye makeup doesn't have to be as complicated as we make it seem. In this tutorial I'm going to apply the eye makeup like we're used to do it, a little more complicated on the left eye from your point of view. And on the right-sided eye, I'm going to apply the 2-minute version using a sponge shadow applicator. Ready to follow me along? Then let's get started. So I have prepared my eyelids already, hence I will start right away with my transition shade Coin from the Natasha Denona Mini Nude palette. I apply the transition shade all over my lid in the crease fold and blend in sweeping motions with a fluffy blending brush. I mainly focus on the outer corner of the eye and the crease fold. With a smudger brush, I apply Coin also on the outer lower lash line. Next, I pack the outer part of my lid with the shade Soil and a flat dense shader brush. I stay under the crease fold with my contour shade. Then I grab a fluffy blending brush and create depth while smoking out the shade Soil in sweeping motions towards my temples. I also smudge the outer lower lash line with Soil. Then I switch to the metallic shades of the palette. I first apply Lumino around my tear duct and a little on the inner corner with a flat dense applicator brush. I dip the same brush into the shade Bronzage and pack the center of my lid with product. Now I apply the shade Sienna with the same brush between the shades Bronzage and Soil. This combination of shades will give us a nice transition of colors. Once all the eyeshadow shades are applied, we go ahead and use a blending brush to soften out any hard edges and make the application overall more seamless. Next, I curl my lashes to lift them with a lash curler. As my lash primer, I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Primer. This will help my lashes to have a long-lasting lift and volume. Then I apply my mascara, also from L'Oreal Lash Paradise, in waterproof. I apply the wand in zigzag motions, starting from the roots and wiggling it until my tips. So I noticed my waterline needed some color as well, hence I use a beige kohl liner by Essence and apply it in the inner corner up to the center of my waterline. I use a black kohl liner by L'Oreal on the rest outer waterline to complete the look. Now let's switch to the second eye, applying the 2 minutes method. The trick is to use a sponge applicator simply because they apply your product more pigmented on the skin than a regular shader brush. That is why you will not deal with fallouts and get done faster. This time we also start applying our eyeshadow from the inner corner up to the outer corner. Hence, we apply our metallic shade Lumino around the tear duct and on the inner corner first. Then we switch to Bronzage and apply it on the center of the lid. Next, we apply Sienna on the outer part of the lid. Now we blend 2 shades at a time with a fluffy blending brush to create a seamless transition between the shades. Once we apply the metallic shades, it is important to clean the applicator or use another one. That way the shimmer particles will not get mixed with the matte eyeshadow. We apply Soil, the matte brown shade, on the outer edge of the eye and create a little thick flick. We apply the rest of the product on the outer lower lash line as well. Now we start blending the outer edge of the eye and the flick and smoke out any hard edges. Last eyeshadow step is to apply the transition shade Coin on top of the smoked out brown shade and on the outer lower lash line, and then blend it with a blending brush. The next steps are the same as previously. We finish off the look while applying cool liner into our waterline. Then we curl our lashes and apply mascara, and voila! This is the finished look. You can pull off this eye makeup look at any time of the day. In case you want it to be a little more occasional, then add some lashes and you're good to go. What are your thoughts on this sponge applicator eye makeup method? Have you tried it out already, or do you feel inspired to try it out? Let me know in the comment section. I personally think the 2-minute side looks as flawless as the 10-minute side. In case you have enjoyed this video, then please like and share this tutorial and subscribe to my channel for more makeup updates every week.